कुछ समय पहले अचानक मतलब मैं घर में ही थी और मेरी आंख के आगे एकदम सा फ्रॉग जैसा आने लगा, राइट आईज और सब। और मुझे लगा कि शायद कुछ कचड़ा होगा या कुछ होगा। मैंने कई बार अपनी आंख को बहुत बार वॉश किया सब कुछ, लेकिन कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ। और आंख में प्रॉब्लम होने की वजह से क्या हो रहा था कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस भी मेरा कम हो रहा था। रात को मैं कहीं चल नहीं सकती थी, वॉक नहीं कर सकती थी अकेले। डर लगता था कहीं गिर ना जाऊं या किसी जगह मेरा पैर स्लिप ना हो जाए।
When you age, you tend to lose your normal natural vision. That is because of the general wear and tear of the eyes. I think diabetic retinopathy is one of the major things that we need to be aware of. Glaucoma is one of the things that has caused major concern, which ultimately ends up with damage to the optic nerve. Also, we need to talk about age-related macular degeneration. It's quite common and it's also related to a lot of these other health problems that everyone has. I think we should also talk about dry eyes, which is a syndrome where there's lack of tear production. It fails to keep your eyes moist. We should talk about problems as common as cataracts, which is the cloudiness of the lenses, which makes your vision cloudy. So these are some of the eye ailments we should definitely be aware of. So there are many things that we do wrong to cause these eye problems. But to point out a few, I think too much exposure to UV light, smoking, having a poor diet, working too much on your laptop. As we know, all of us are engrossed in our phones. I think these are the normal things that we are doing wrong that are causing these big eye problems that can basically lead to much bigger eye problems than only having a number. I think to avoid these eye problems, we should definitely change our diet. We should include a lot of vitamin A, vitamin E, having green leafy vegetables, having bright colored vegetables and fruits like mango, papaya, carrots. Kids have stopped playing outdoors. I think it's really important for kids to play outdoors as it helps your focus, it helps your accommodation, it helps in shifting your eyes from near to far, and that I think improves your eye health in general. If you're reading on your laptop, it's very important for you to shift your vision to a further away side just to basically improve your focus. It's very important for you to take a break every 5 to 10 minutes, and even for 5 seconds you can look at a further away side. That will help your vision. Blinking improves your moisture of the eyes. It keeps your eyes moist. So I think we've come a long way from where we used to take an hour or 2 hours for a cataract surgery to 15 minutes that happen now. There are many technological advancements that have happened in the very near past. I think from having specialized microscopes in the operative theatres to having these little devices like Occlupad, which is basically a device which is developed by a Japanese institute. And in that device, it's just like playing games. And while you're playing that game, the treatment is happening simultaneously. For people who are having much more serious problems like macular degeneration or the bigger retinal problems, we've come out with visual aids that are extremely easy to use, like the Iris Vision. I think these are the innovations that are taking ophthalmology forward, and they're making it easier for the people who suffer with these problems. I think the biggest message that I would like to give to people is to not take their vision lightly. Eyesight is the most important thing in your life. Do not take it for granted. Even doing these minor changes in your life, like in your diet, in your lifestyle, in your smoking habits, drinking habits, can go a long way and help you avoiding these bigger problems of eyes that can happen.
बीमारी को इनवाइट होने के बाद इलाज करें, उससे बेटर है बीमारी को पास में आने ही ना दें। मैं आप सबसे यही सलाह दूंगी कि आप कभी भी आपकी आंखों में कोई भी प्रकार की बीमारी न आए और आप हमेशा आपकी आंखें स्वस्थ रहें।